How to auto scroll on TikTok. First of all, head over to your application TikTok. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this share icon at the right. Right here at the menu section, you should be seeing the option of auto scroll. But if you can't find the option, first of all head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for TikTok. Head over to it. Right here you need to make sure that your application TikTok is updated to the latest version. Tap on update. Wait for a while. Once the application is updated, open the application. Once again tap on share icon. After updating the application, you should be seeing the option of auto scroll. But if you still can't find that feature, then you should know that this feature is only available to limited users. So if you don't have this feature, then all you can do is wait for the Instagram to update this feature to all of the users. There is no any option other than this. So this is it for today, and I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it in the end.